Here and now is the day of the skeleton. He had enough time to think alone. No regrets, he's ready to go. Be aware, cause the skeleton is coming to the town. He's gotta do something. He's got the time to shine, and everyone's looking there. He's gotta choose you. He's gonna be a real heartbreaker. You gotta choose your heart and break him. Did it for your life. No chance to choose. Don't wanna live in your prison. Don't want any kind of submission. Come with me right now, and I'll take you to a place where people just take care of each other. Wanna break down the walls and the rockets falling from the sky. No chance to choose. There's no distractions. In the day of the skeleton, just pay attention. In the day of the skeleton.
¿Qué pasa, Madrid? ¿Cómo estamos? ¿Tenéis ganas de escuchar música o no? Somos nuestros monstruos de Galicia, gracias a todos por venir.
It's the day of the skeleton. In your prison, don't need a new kind of submission. Come with me right now, and I'll take you to a place where people just take care of each other. Wanna break down the walls and the rockets falling from the sky. They're coming back to you. There's no distraction.
¿Qué tema que vamos a tocar ahora? Para que tengáis a tomar por saco todas esas cosas que tenéis en el fondo del cajón. Back to the vision tonight. Right on the outside.
Una foto.
Vamos a sacar una foto, chicos, ahí, venga.